If your business operates multiple branches or warehouses, tracking inventory separately can be a challenge. With the multi-location module in N3 AI Accounting, you can manage stock, sales, and purchases across all your locations from one system. First, make sure the module is enabled. Go to Subscribe Plan, then Add-ons, and activate Multi-Location. To set up a location, go to Stock, then Locations. Click Add New Location. Enter the location code and name, then save. Repeat this for every branch or warehouse you need to track. When creating a stock item in N3 AI Accounting, you can assign a default stock location right away. This is useful if certain items are always stored in a specific warehouse or branch, so you won't have to manually select a location every single time you use that item in a transaction. But the location field stays editable. For every transaction, whether it's a sale or a purchase, you can still switch to a different location when needed. Once you save, stock levels update automatically for whichever location was selected. To transfer stock between branches or warehouses, go to Stock, then Stock Transfers. In the Stock Location From field, select the source, and in Stock Location, to select the destination. Enter the item and quantity, then save. Both locations adjust instantly. For multi-location inventory reports in N3 AI Accounting, go to Reporting, then Report Center. You can generate a wide variety of reports filtered by location, from sales and purchase reports to inventory reports like stock balance by location and stock ledger by location. This gives your business a real-time, accurate picture of stock levels at every branch or warehouse, all managed within N3 AI Accounting's multi-location module.